I almost can hear them laugh from here, and they are laughing of my power supply and of me. No, I'm getting revenge on them. Boom, I've got this, my friend. Oh my god, look at this. Woo! 12 volts, 15 amps. It's working. Okay, I'll start with this one here, my friend. 6.3 volt capacitor, and I'm not going to be stupid this time. I'm opening the window. And I also have this one set up so I can't get intoxicated. Look. Okay, so I'll first put 12 volts on. 5 amps of current. Oh, finally. Yes. The next thing now. Cute. Let's go. Next one. You. Okay, turning on. On. Oh, you don't want to blow up? You think you're escaping this one, don't you? Let's crank up the voltage. Oh yeah, don't you like that? Look, oh shit. Sorry for the noise. Look at that. Do you like that now, huh? Killed, man. Next up, we have an inductor, man. 212 volts on. If I increase the voltage, it doesn't have any effect. Oh man. Get it. Do you like that? The wires are not even hot. Next, we have a dial. On. Shit. On. Dude, what? Huh. They're still laughing, aren't they? I've got some other ways. Do you like that? You're next. Shit. Yeah, burn.